News is taking action and getting answers for contractors left several hundred thousands of dollars in the hole after a development debacle.
Years ago, the city approved plans to bring hundreds of affordable housing options to the city's south side, but those plans ground to a halt after workers stopped getting paid.
8 News reporter Roland Wilson spoke exclusively with those impacted. She joins us live now in Richmond. And Roland, break down for us exactly what happened here. It sounds like a mess.
Well, Eric, Deanna, I'm live here in the Belmead neighborhood in the city's south side, and what you can see here behind me are buildings set to be the next affordable housing option for Richmonders. But what you don't see are construction workers actually working on the project, and that's not because they don't want to, but because they weren't getting paid for it. That's when I stepped in to figure out why.
Here's all the liens.
Page after countless page.
And that one's for $19,000.
Each one representing work that's gone unpaid. After decades in the contracting industry, Travis Whaley and Mike Wood tell me they never thought when they signed on the dotted line with Dakota Partners, a Massachusetts-based developer, that a project could turn into a complete disaster.
You know, we're struggling. I had to borrow money to keep my business going.
The Brady Square project is set to bring 264 affordable units to families at a cost of $55 million. Nearly $10.5 million of that coming from Richmond tax dollars and the Virginia Housing Agency. The apartment's a welcome relief for a city in the midst of an affordable housing crisis. To help get the job done, local business owners got to work. Whaley began in August. At what point did y'all say, I'm done?
Middle of December, when we hadn't gotten paid for the October.
Because it was at that point they say Dakota Partners had passed its own deadline to pay up. Their contract requires they pay Whaley and Wood no later than 45 days after an invoice submission. But nearly 7 months later, how much are you owed at this point?
$800,000.
Plus another $300,000 for Wood. And he says they aren't alone.
Minority contractor, they haven't gotten paid. Breedlove, the masonry people. I mean, it's a never-ending list.
Many saying they aren't picking up their tools until Dakota Partners picks up the tab. Since December, tools and equipment sitting next to a growing pile of trash. A costly concern for Councilwoman Reva Trammell, who says she originally didn't know about the project happening in her district.
Why did they drop the ball on my district, my citizens? Because they get by with it. Would this have happened in another district? Would it? Hell no.
With several questions unanswered,
We don't know where to go. That's why we come to the news, because nobody gives us answers from Dakota.
a spokesperson tells me in part, Dakota experienced significant COVID-related cost overruns and material procurement issues, resulting in funding shortfalls and project delays.
How can companies like this come into other states like that and treat small businessmen like this?
I also reached out to the city to learn what it'll take to make these contractors whole. I'm told there's an action plan in the works, a spokesperson telling me in part, the city, along with the other funders, is seeking to have Dakota Partners pay all subcontractors who are owed monies. Meanwhile, a spokesperson says Virginia Housing has issued notices of default to the ownership for Dakota Partners' failure to complete the project on schedule. Although the developer says it expects a resolution in the near future, there's no word yet on when that will be.
All of us need our money. I mean, don't you want to get paid every week?
Now, even after reaching out to Dakota Partners multiple times, they have yet to tell me what's next for the project or even how many people are impacted by this. Of course, questions I am still working to get answered. For now, live in Richmond, Roland Wilson, 8 News.
But right there between those two contractors, we're already talking about in excess of $1 million. So this is certainly a big deal. Thank you for taking action and getting results rolling. And many of the taking action stories come straight from people like you at home watching. If you have something that you want 8 News to look into, don't hesitate. Send us an email with your story right there at the email address on your screen.